Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make bialetti Italian coffee using Italian mocha pot coffee maker. So guys, what we need is coffee that is coarse grounded and water and the mocha pot itself. So guys, mocha pot has 3 chambers, the base being where we will put the water, and then the middle space where we are going to put the coffee, and then the upper part is the part where our coffee will collect. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So first, we already put the water and the funnel. The funnel is the place where we are going. This is the mid section where we are going to put coffee. So we are going to fill up with coffee. After filling the base with coffee, we are going to fix this jar tightly. Yeah, we are going to fix it tightly, and then we are going to heat the water inside this mocha pot. Inside the mocha pot, it will take like 5 minutes or less, depending on the source of heat you are using. In my case, I'm using induction, and it will take me like 5 minutes. I'm going to make twice because I'm making for 2, and mocha pot can only make 1 cup, so I'm going to do it twice. So guys, the first batch is ready. You can see it's halfway, so I'm going to repeat the same process again. I'm going to open and dispose, and then this is the second round. We will just repeat the same procedure as before.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. No way now, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted, created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I'll give up everything, daunting all, if I can see my dream, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything, make what I want a reality. No way now, I'll give up everything, daunting all, if I can see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
As you can see, guys, our coffee is ready, so we are going to pour it into the cup, and that's it. From here you can just add any creamer of your choice or any sweetener and you are good to go. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you so much and bye bye.